Study on the catching students in an inverted classroom environment. Flipping or inverting the classroom as a method in an introductory material science course asks students to study the science of engineering materials on their own. In class, we take time to discuss questions and solve problems or work on hands-on lectures or exercises in class. In blended learning scenarios, students use different materials to study and understand the science in theory, and then the classroom lectures offer the opportunity for students to comprehend the principle of different aspects in material science and apply their knowledge. A high number and variety of teaching materials aims at different learning skills of the students and meets the diversity of a first-year class. Therefore, teaching materials and micromodule lectures to individually choose, combine and study from a distance are provided in a Moodle-based course. To assess the learning progress prior to each class, peer response is used. Evening tests after each inverted classroom session, self-testing along with exercises and worked solutions allow students to control their learning progress. The objective of this study is to introduce the inverted classroom approach to colleagues in higher education because teaching scenarios may be applied to a choice of themes taught the first semester and both students' success along with the fun of learning and teaching throughout the first year increase. Starting from the winter semester 2014-15, students in their first semester of Mechanical and Automotive Engineering at HTW Berlin must pass a materials science course. Although the grades from this course don't count toward their final degree, it plays an important role in preparing them for later success. To help students stay motivated and engaged from the start, a new teaching method called the flipped classroom was introduced. In a flipped classroom, students first study the course content on their own, through videos, readings, or online exercises, before coming to class. Class time is then used for interactive work, discussions, and solving problems together. This approach helps students take more responsibility for their learning and encourages teamwork. Teachers become more like guides, supporting students rather than just lecturing from the front. The flipped classroom has led to positive results. Students enjoy the course more, understand complex topics better, and build stronger connections with their peers. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, when learning was fully online, students remained motivated and achieved better grades than before. Tools like Moodle were essential for communication and organizing the course. Several key strategies have made this method successful, starting with simple tasks, clearly explaining expectations and goals, guiding students closely during self-study, and using class time for hands-on activities rather than just reviewing content. Overall, flipping the classroom has proven to be an effective way to improve student learning, especially in large and diverse first-year classes. The inverted classroom technique was introduced to first-year mechanical engineering students enrolled in a material science course. Therefore, micro-Moodle-based online lectures, films, screencasts, lecture slides and various teaching material were provided along with a distinct assignment for 1 week and regular graded tests and assignments. In class, the students focused on discussing scientific backgrounds and solving hands-on engineering problems in groups of 2 to 4 students. Inverting the classroom involved students to take over the responsibility for their own learning process, and the method was assessed as beneficial in terms of student grades, concentration, and attentiveness as well as joy of studying. Still, evaluation over a long period of time has to prove in future if this concept will enhance students' material science skills and grades in general. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.